Hello, welcome to the new video. In this video, I will show you how to move photo left to right in CapCut. Like this one. First you need to drag the photo to the timeline. Make it small. On the screen, adjust the picture on the screen. And you need to change the position. Click on this diamond button and here you can see a diamond button is appeared. And after that you want to move from left to right, click on that and again you need to put the diamond button and change the position. Now play that. So here you can see that the picture is moving from left to right. So in this way you can easily a picture move from left to right in CapCut. This is very simple and easy. I hope you understand the video. If you think the video is supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.